This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Mike Smith. Charming 1950s Cape Cod with more than meets the eye in Spruce Hill Township. The primary home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an updated kitchen along with an addition that includes dining, laundry and full bath on the main level. Upstairs you will find 3 bedrooms and another full bath. The full basement makes storage a breeze and has a rare tunnel that connects to the 2-car garage. There is an additional in-law suite/apartment over the garage with separate entrance, parking and electric. It is complete with a full kitchen, laundry/bathroom, living room and bedroom. All appliances stay. Rest under the covered porch or relax on the patio for the sweeping mountain views. Private utilities. There is something here for everyone, come take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Smith at 717-436-8200.